Samantala malaking impluensya raw ang Filipino roots ng lead vocalist sa bandang The Dreamboats tuwing siya'y magtatanghal sa entablado. Ito ang kanyang ikinuwento sa kasamahan naming si Teresa Ridula na nakapanayam sa kanilang Ontario tour ang Canadian band na sentro ang natatanging tunog ng musika noong 1950s at 1960s.
Ilang araw na lang at Valentine's Day na. At handog ng isang bandang tinatawag na The Dreamboats ang isang kakaibang love story. Kwento ng isang homecoming tour. Dala ang kanilang pangarap galing sa California at ang muling pagkonekta sa kanilang longtime fans sa Canada. Nagbabalik sa Southern Ontario ang The Dreamboats para sa isang rock and romance Southern Ontario tour. Hatid ang high-energy performances, tampok ang mga awitin mula 1950s at 1960s. Miyerkules, binisita ng Omni News ang banda sa Brantford sa kanilang ika-5 shows sa tour.
It feels great. This is where we started off. We're 4 of us in this band right now. We're Mississauga born and raised, and of course coming back to our hometown and doing what we do is a great feeling.
Ang performance hindi lamang daw isang konsyerto para sa maraming dumalo. Ito'y baliktanaw sa mga alaala ilang dekada na ang nakakaraan.
Brings me back to my good old teenage years, high school years. It's wonderful.
What's your favorite song?
Well, I have to say Can't Help Falling in Love because that was the first song to our wedding dance together. So,
well, it has to be the Beatles.
The Beatles?
Yeah,
How
well,
so?
I was born in Liverpool.
Nabuo ang Canadian Quartet noong 2009 dahil sa pagmamahal sa ritmo at galaw ng musika mula dekada 50 at 60.
Musicianship, live performance is something that I feel like that era there was no fooling anyone. Like what you sounded like is what you sounded like, and what you delivered on stage is there was no gimmicks about it.
Taong 2022 naman ang lumipat ang Canadian Quartet sa Palm Springs, California. At mula noon, patuloy daw na mas lumawak ang kanilang tour footprint sa Amerika para sa lead vocalist saan mang entablado mapunta. May impluensya raw ang kanyang Filipino roots sa bawat performance.
Us Filipinos that we just love to sing. We have, there's a natural confidence. My grandfather was a singer and performer, and my mother was always, instead of like telling me to get some other different, more secure jobs, she was always very persistent about me being in the arts.
Magtatanghal din ang The Dreamboats sa Milton at Windsor bago ang concert sa February 14 sa Mississauga.
Our goal right now is just to be one of the top 50s and 60s bands in the world. Not many people are doing this and carrying the torch of this musical style, and we're doing our best to take full pride and full responsibility in delivering it forward, not only to the generation that grew up with it, but the generation to come.
Teresa Ridula, Omni News, Brantford.